Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a boat trip in the south of Mauritius. It's a full day trip from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. It includes snorkeling, visit of Île Passe, Île aux Phare, swimming in front of Île aux Phare, and lunch.
Ça fait des éléments.
Je sais pas si j'ai livré,
Bienvenue à bord.
Est-ce que dans un an? J'ai caché j'ai décaché mon tournage.
Brûler le pas, ça fait bizarre, mais c'est pas grave.
Morning!
C'est ça?
Ready to go?
Yes.
So today we're going to l'île de la Passe, l'île aux Phare, and l'île aux
Là, ça
Phare.
va, là, ça va.
So all these islands are located in the southeast, like Mauritius.
Ah oui. Oui. Ensemble. Ça va, merci.
S'il vous plaît, excusez-moi. Une personne camion.
The departure is at mahebourg. We went with a small group of around 10 people. Along the coast we saw tranquil mountain. The view is just amazing guys. The color of the sea is a blue turquoise. It makes you want to dive in. So many fishes in the lagoon and you can do snorkeling as well. Our first stop is Île de la Passe. We have about 45 minutes to spend some time here.
C'est bon, tu maîtrises. Ah mais bon, ah mais calme. Ouais. Là ça va. Chaque fois oui. Ça bouge un peu. Ah c'est né.
Are you fascinated by naval battles? Are you passionate about history? Discover a site where a naval battle actually took place. Indeed, Île de la Passe was witness to the French victory. This rocky islet, located in the magnificent Bay of Grand Port in the east of Mauritius, is a real step back in time. It contains historical elements of the remarkable battle which took place in the waters of the Turquoise in 1810. The French, who were ruling the Île-de-France, Mauritius name at that time, were facing the threat of British invasion. The Île de la Passe then became the scene of a long naval battle between French and British frigates. The British wanted to take possession of this islet which was used to guard the entrance to the Bay of the Turquoise before launching the attack on the main island. L'Île de la Passe was taken on the night of 13 to 14 August 1810. The two opponents fought fiercely for ownership of l'Île de France, Mauritius. 105 British men were killed and 164 were wounded, compared to 34 killed and 112 wounded among the French. The battle ended after 6 long days with the French victory, which was their only naval success, and as a result, it was inscribed on the Arc de Triomphe in Paris.
The way people use it doesn't work. No, if this is still strong, I don't think it's still strong. The oil is rushed up here. I think there's few holes in it.
We had a lovely time on l'Île de la Passe, on beautiful views on the ocean, guys. So now we're going to the next island.
Attention, le bateau bouge de tomber, c'est mal. Ouais. Il faut avoir 6 heures. Ouais. Si je mademoiselle, après on descend. Non mais voilà, je connais. Tout le monde. Allez. Je vais ça va. Bon, quand même aussi là-bas. Ici.
Phuket Island, also known as Île aux Phare by the locals, is a rocky island in the Bay of Grampo, located on the coral reef in the southeast of Mauritius. It has been classified as a historical monument, having been a privileged witness of the colonization of Mauritius. A historical book in the form of an island to narrate to you a part of the history of Mauritius. Close your eyes and let your imagination take you back to the colonial era. During the colonization of Mauritius, a lighthouse was built to guide ships to the port of mahebourg, which was then the main port of the island from the time the French settled until the early 20th century. Facing the centuries, the ruins of the lighthouse and the adjoining house of the Guardians are two impressive historical monuments. Inside the lighthouse, the basalt stone spiral staircase is still present, fixed in the wall of the tower. Unfortunately, some of the steps have not survived the passage of time. The doors and windows are lined with carved stone, and the walls are made of coral masonry. A beauty like no other. Enjoy a visit rich in history and emotions. The islet has a truly amazing panorama, proudly standing in the middle of the lagoon with calm, turquoise blue waters and waves offshore crash on the island cliffs. Having no inhabitants, the islet has remained wild and has therefore been preserved as it is. It is also one of the must-see during the cruises organized in the beautiful lagoons of Mauritius. Oh wow, this is amazing, guys. Look at this view. So we just gonna have a look inside to see how it looks like. We got a nice weather today. No rain.
C'était mieux avec la mer.
We were very lucky to see a turtle in the lagoon, but it was very quick move. Now time for lunch, we're feeling so hungry.
Là, c'est le bateau pilote là-bas. Ça va, ils vont nous installer là-bas. Voilà.
So we stopped on the island. It was a shady place. We had a traditional Mauritian meal. It was cold curry, fried fish, salad, rice, and the yummy pimo curry. It was very delicious and we loved it. We had a nice time visiting these two beautiful islets. The boatkeeper was friendly and very welcoming. The food was delicious. So guys, if you want to do this excursion, feel free to contact Further Worlds and Leisure for more information. They can even organize a transfer around the island. We highly recommend this trip to everyone. We will definitely come back. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching our video. We hope that you like it. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you. Bye. Nice.
Yeah.
Have fun. We would like to thank everyone who's been subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys, we really appreciate it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.